This is a mess that needs to be taken care of. So let's clean up the bench and find out what's in here. I figured this is as good a spot as any to interrupt and try things a little bit differently. In this video, it's just a lot of music, and I thought I'd try doing a little bit of voiceover to the music and to the cleanup and disassembly of the head here on the bench. So, let's try to figure out how that goes. And by the way, I am Stephen McGrarty, and welcome to my YouTube channel, where I am definitely not a professional at this. It's not that I don't care about how the bench looks, or is. I do, but when you do small thing after small thing after small thing after small thing, it just kind of stacks up, and that's how we got here. We get to the good stuff of what's in the bag. Well, what it is a P79 head off of a 280ZX. It's pretty much a stock head, stock camshaft, stock springs, and everything just looked to be in really good shape, so I went ahead and snagged it up. The plan for this is to shave 0.08 of an inch off and do a high compression head, but that's not right now. In fact, that might be 2 or 3 years away before I even get that far. Right now, I just want to bag and tag everything and put the head into storage so that it can safely be used later. I'm not worried about it rusting because it is an aluminum head. Right now though, just get everything out and gather the parts I want to do for later. Here's a fun bit of it. I wanted to remove the water T from the head because it's not going in a car with AC, so no need to have it there. And I could not. With the air gun, it did not budge. Saw me trying to attack it with the wrench and then the air gun, and nothing. So it lives there now. Through this section here, I'm just trying to lower the pivot points so that the rocker arms can slide out a bit easier. There's a couple of bolts there on the 14 mil side of it that seem to have stripped. Those will probably be replaced since they're stripped, and it'll just be those bolts and not the entire pivot. I shouldn't need the entire pivot, but we'll see when we get there. Alright, so what I like to do is I like to put a little bit of a cushion around the pliers, just so that it doesn't mar up the camshaft or the retainers. And I find it doesn't really have an impact on how easy or hard it is to remove. There's probably no damage in just doing it with the raw pliers, but you know, why not just put a little bit of padding on there. On the rocker arms here going in the bag, I know it doesn't matter which ones go where, especially because I'm going to have them cleaned up and refinished or resurfaced before I use them. But it's just for simplicity's sake, and in case I decide to throw this camshaft into into another engine, I can just grab the rockers and know that they're in order and which ones are intake and exhaust, and not have to worry about it later if I need it. On this part here, I was trying for the cool shot where the camshaft can go out the back side of the head, and I thought it would just slide right out because I've had that experience before. Turns out, no, it didn't want to, so it just slid out the front side of the head. It still looks cool, but not the shot I was hoping for. And then it's just the putting the plate back on so I don't lose it. Alright. So enjoy the B-roll. If you like this, be sure to like and subscribe and do the YouTube thing. Thank you.